dressing up today. It's our Star Wars costume celebration, taking place at 2 o'clock and then repeated again at 4 o'clock in the lobby atrium. Come and show off your costumes to those fellow fans and maybe be one of the highlighted ones today at our costume celebration in the lobby atrium, 2 o'clock and 4 o'clock. 3 o'clock today sees the second and final chance to catch our guest speaker series. We've got the amazing Steve Sansweet with us. He is the manager of Rancho Obi-Wan, the largest collection of Star Wars memorabilia in the world, and also author of over a dozen Star Wars books. Once again, that's at 3 o'clock in the Buena Vista Theatre. Now, the big event for the evening is, of course, the biggest box office movie of United States history. It is Star Wars The Force Awakens. Movie times tonight, 4:45 p.m. for those guests dining at 8:15. Oh, I should say 8 o'clock tonight. I changed that dining room up tonight. And then for the guests on the earlier dinner seating, your movie start time is at 8 o'clock. There's also a late night showing available at 11. So once again, 3 movie show times, 4:45, 8 o'clock and 11 o'clock. Tonight, the movie playing in Dolby Digital 3D in the Walt Disney Theatre. That's the big theatre on the big screen. Or in regular vision in the Buena Vista Movie Theatre. So great opportunities to see the Star Wars Force Awakens movie later on tonight. Of course, at the end of the evening, 10:30 p.m., some of the Force as we all come together with our fantastic Star Wars celebration of fireworks at sea. I'll tell you a little bit more about that later on. But in the meanwhile, enjoy the Star Wars events, enjoy meeting those characters around the atrium area. And right now, if you're on the open decks, here comes that very special Ships All on the Deck.